Be safe around the water. If you see someone in trouble, call 111 and ask for police. Do not enter the water if you cannot swim. Watch them until help arrives. If you're able, take the rescue buoy off the hook, place the strap over your shoulder, pull the buoy behind you and approach calmly. Remember, if you get tired, you can float and hold on to the rescue buoy. When you reach the person in the water, stay a couple of meters back until the person is calm. Then pass them the buoy and wait with them for help to arrive. Never attempt to rescue beyond your ability. Recognise the danger early. Respond by getting help and providing flotation. Rescue only if it's safe to do so, and revive by providing CPR or placing into the recovery position if needed once they're ashore. If you feel tired or in trouble, remember to float first. Use the rescue device or lie on your back, relax, breathe normally, and signal for help with one arm raised. Stay afloat until it's safe to return to shore or wait for help to reach you. Your safety is the top priority. In New Zealand, between 2013 and 2023, all people who lost their lives whilst attempting a bystander rescue were not carrying a flotation device.